Hello, this is Dr. Surendra, faculty of the MCT, coming back again for a hot topic, burning topic, current issues that get certificate validity extended to a lifetime. Education Minister Nasak. Let us go through which is published in newspaper that Indian government has extended the validity of teacher eligibility test TET certificate to a lifetime. It revised the existing 7 year of TET certificate validity period to lifetime in view of benefiting the candidate who are inspiring to make career in the teaching field. This will be positive news for teacher aspirant that increase employment opportunity. Union Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has confirmed that teacher eligibility test certificate and scorecard will now be valid for lifetime. CTS score validity, NCT extend validity of CTS scorecard to lifetime. Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank tweeted validity period of teacher eligibility test qualifying certificate has been extended from 7 year to lifetime with retrospective effect from 2011. Respective state government union territory to take necessary action to validate issues fresh candidate to candidate whose period of 7 year lapsed already. This is a positive steps in increasing the employment opportunity in teaching field. Government has decided to extend the validity period of the teacher eligibility test qualifying certificate from 7 year to lifetime with retrospective effect from 2011. The respective state government union territory will take necessary action to validate the issue fresh test certificate to those candidate who period of 7 year has already lapsed. Official statement read last year National Council for Teacher Education has decided to extend the validity of CTET scorecard for lifetime. Candidate can use this CTET passing certificate examination without any time limit. This facility would have a retrospective effect, and for those who have already passed out, already having a test certificate. Candidate who inspired to become teacher should process a bachelor degree from a recognized university along with a degree in Bachelor of Education B.Ed or teacher training program course. The minimum age limit is 18 and the maximum age limit is 35. Every year CBC conduct central teacher eligibility test twice a year. The qualified candidates will be eligible for teaching position from class 1 to 8 in central government schools as Kendra Vidyalaya, Central Tibetan Schools, Jahwa Noor Vidyalaya, and schools under administrative control of the Union Territories. Now, this is a proof that was tweeted by Honorable Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal in his tweeted. So, this is a great news for those candidates who have been passed out TET and CTET examinations already, and their certificate has been extended for a lifetime. It's a great opportunity given to those candidates for the teaching profession, and hope that it will many of the teaching aspirants may have a bright future. Wish you all the best with this wonderful news. Thank you for your sparing wonderful time. Thank you from Dr. Surendra, faculty of the MCT Imphal, Manipur. Thank you.